Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy my videos, and today I have come up with another very wonderful video. And after watching this video, I am very much sure that you are gonna make a good money out of forex trading. This is a strategy which I will be using in gold, and the time frame will be 30 minutes. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it, and don't forget to like my videos, because I continuously bring important videos, such kind of videos which is profitable for you. So subscribe it, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Also press like, and without wasting much time, let's go to the chart. As you can see, this is my chart, and this is the chart of gold in 30 minutes time frame. So you can see I have used RSI and envelope as my indicator. Only these are the two indicators which you can use, and get very good signal where to buy and where to sell. So we will go here to the F sign above, and you can see I have added RSI. I want to delete it so that you don't get confused. Go to this F sign. When we click this, go to the main chart. Go to the main chart, click here, and let's find RSI, relative strength index. You can see it is here. Now we will keep the period 1 and apply to close. Style will be 3 pixel and color will be blue. By default it is blue. And now go to the levels here, edit this button, and you can see the levels which I have added: 10, 20, 50, 80 and 90. So in 10 you have to write here in description wait. You can write wait here. And in 20 you have to write buy. In 50 TP, that means target price. And in 80 you have to sell. 90 you have to wait. Pixel is 3, and I have kept light green color. So go to back. By clicking here you can go to back, and now press done button on top right corner. Here you can see done. Click it here, and you are all done. Now I have to show you how it looks in chart. You can see how it looks. The labels we have created here. I will tell you the strategy. Now we are not completed adding our indicators. One more indicator we have to add. Press this F sign again here. Sorry, here. Don't go to the main chart. Now you have to go here to indicator window 1. We have to find another indicator, envelope. You can see envelope is here. Click it here, and you have to add period 14 as I have added, and shift is 0, deviation is 0.008, method is exponential, apply to close. Apply to close. Now the upper band, let it be 3 pixel, and color I have kept blue. You can keep the same or whatever color of your choice. Lower band I have kept the color red here. Now press done on top right corner here, and we are done adding our indicators. Let's check our chart how it looks. Now the lines which you can see here, these lines, this is our envelope. So whenever envelopes, for example, you can see here, whenever envelopes goes to level 80 and then goes to level 90, you can see on my chart it went to 90 and then came back again to 80. When it comes to 80, we will sell. After touching the 90 level, when this envelope comes to 80 level, we will sell. And see how good return it has given here, how wonderful it fell down. The price fell down from here to here, and this will be your TP, target price. When this reaches here, you have to sell. See how wonderful, a huge profit you would have made if you had followed this strategy. So same thing you have to do for buying. I would like to say you I would like to show you one for buying signal, a wonderful one. You can see here. Now it is crossing over here, and how beautiful the price has gone above. You would have made a good profit here. You would have booked your position somewhere here. So this is the strategy which I use for gold. You can try this in another pair too, and you can use it for silver too, but I use it mostly for gold. And what are the zoom levels which you are going to use is that two zoom levels. This is zoom level 0. Make one zoom here. This is zoom level 1, and another one, this is zoom level 2. So use this strategy in zoom level 2, which I am using here. So all the best guys, happy trading, and don't forget to subscribe my videos. Please like my videos and keep watching and keep making good profit. Thank you.